Alright, what's up guys? So today we made 7.5k trading Nasdaq before 10:30 a.m. If you guys want to see the clip, I just posted a short on my page, so you can go check it out, okay? Now, I'll do a recap so I can show you exactly the trade that I took, and very soon we need only 1k left to pass all 5 accounts. So all 5 combines will be passed, okay? So hopefully, I'm not gonna rush anything. We already know that. But hopefully this week we'll get it, right? And from there, just slowly scaling up, right? Now today I did risk a little bit heavier because we're still on the combine. So I took one here, I'll just show you guys. That's top step so you guys can see. So one NQ contract, okay? So not the mini one, the full one, okay? So I was risking 500 for a 1 to 3, so 500 for 1.5k, and then 5 accounts, as you guys can see here. Let's go performance stats, so you guys can see. Right there. One trade, that's it, and done. So as of right now, we only need, let's see, 1k left. So tomorrow I'll risk 500 for a 1 to 2, and all 5 accounts should be passed if I win tomorrow. And from there, then I'll start my scaling plan. So I'll risk 250 until I have like the amount that I set up. Then I can start risking 500 and more, right? Okay, so that's the dashboard here. Let's log out. So yeah, today we had no news, but I know we had like maybe Trump speaking at 9 or something. So that was that. That's why right there. Let's go on the 1 hour, or let's just stay here. He was speaking at 9:30 actually, I think. So this dropped hella, and then we were just consolidating, right? Anyway, let's start the recap here. So yeah, very excited. I'm locked in. Everything is good. Soon we're gonna get 5 accounts, XFAs. That's gonna be beautiful. Even if I risk only 250, here let's do just the calcul, whatever we say it. 250. So drawdown is 2,000, right, on each account divided by 250. So we need 8 consecutive days of losing to blow the account, which is perfect. And then each trade we win, that's a 1 to 3, so we can lose up to 3 trades to go back to break even. We already know that. So anyway, let's say I need 5 winning days and I only risk 250 as of right now. So that's what I'm gaining. That's per account, not per account, that's with all the accounts, and then 5 days, 18k. And then I can only withdraw half. So that's a nice 9.3k payout, and that's USD, right? So that's gonna be very nice. Anyway, we're not gonna think about the money will just come. We're just gonna trade what we have to trade, and yeah. All right, let's start. So London high, Asia high. I've seen this 4-hour gap right there. On the 1 hour, it's this right there. 30-minute, it's still this right there. So I'll just switch this for fair value gap. From there, we get our little box out. We just leave it like that. 5-minute. This is the closest one, so hop like that. Then 1 minute. 1 day, perfect. So here you guys can see 9:29, 9:31. Like the news that Trump was talking about or whatever was so huge that left a huge gap, right? So we can say it is risky, right? I mean, here if we just pull up this, price move like around 655 points or 163. points, right? So yeah. Anyway, now I'm gonna show you guys the first trade that I was looking at that I didn't take, and then the trade that I ended up taking, right? So I'm still waiting. We end up going down to the fair value gap. 942, nothing. 943, we're out. Then 944, we get a rejection of this fair value gap. So from there, I'm just waiting for a pullback, and I'm in, right? So right there, I'm in 946. From there, 1 to 3, easily and done. I didn't take it though. I was just waiting for macros just in case we go deeper. So from there, I'm just waiting. Then if I remember right, here on the 1 hour, so at 10, we left. Now this is the fair value gap right there, right? 30-minute would be right there. Pull out the box. 5-minute. So 5-minute, this is all of this is the fair value gap, right? Now go to the 1 minute. Now on the 1 minute, we are in macro timing, and here 954, we already seen rejection right there. Now the thing is, right there we're missing some prices. I don't know why we're missing some prices. Okay, wait. Okay guys, here let me just do the recap on topstep X. Okay, TradingView, we're missing a lot of prices actually. I don't know why. Here, we already have it here. Okay, so we can just keep on going. So like I said, 30-minute fair value gap right there. Then 5-minute, okay, 1 minute. Now we are in a macro timing, so we need fresh 1 minute fair value gaps, right? So right there, this one I seen. Not only we rejected 954, I never got my pullback, right? So I never took the trade. From that, I was just still waiting. Then as we seen right there, or in the clip, I got my pullback right there. Just in case, we got 2 more. So that's perfect. That's extra confirmation. Now, it was a little bit, not scary, but as of right there, I was up 1.7. My RR was 1.7 right there, but we ended up going back. So I was pretty close to getting my break-even hit, right? So 0 for the day. But this doesn't mean I closed the trade or anything, or my position. I just left it because I know that this is valid and it should just go down. I was right. This shit just went down. So let's put it back, 1 to 3, and got my 1 to 3 easily. So let's just recap everything quickly. Right there, this fair value gap got filled and rejected, but I didn't take it. Right there, we had our entry, never got the pullback, so I didn't get in, right? Now this is good. This is in macro timing. This is a fresh 1 minute fair value gap. And then 1016, I know it's between 950 and 1010, the macro, but since I didn't get my pullback, I was just waiting. And just in case, we got 2 more to confirm the zone, this gap, and yeah, got my 1 to 3 easily, and I was done for the day. So yeah, 1.4, 1.4, perfect. So tomorrow I just need so 53, 52, 96 minus 52, let's say 90 just in case. Okay, so I just need 1K. I want to 2 tomorrow, and then I have to activate all the accounts, which is gonna be 200 Canadian by account, so like 1K. And from there, we just take it slow, and that's it. So yeah, that was the recap for today. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, and yeah, very soon we're gonna get the XFAs and start making a lot of money. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.